Hello Excel explorers. Ever copied a formula and something went really wrong? Well, that's because of cell references. Today, we will break it down into step by step so that you will never face that problem again. Let's get started. Let's start with relative references. So, in relative reference, if we write a formula and we copy it to other cell, Excel will adjust the formula automatically. So the relative formulas are by default there in Excel, right? If I click here A3 plus A10 and I press enter and I copy this and paste it to another cell, Excel will automatically adjust it, and based on the new numbers it's going to modify the formula. Okay, this is super helpful when you want to apply the same calculation over different rows or columns. Now let's talk about absolute references. Sometimes you don't want the Excel to change the formula when copied. Okay, so to create an absolute reference, what you do is you write a dollar sign before the row and the column. I'll show you how. Equal to, and I select this, but if it, I'll show you if I just press enter here, select this value and press enter, and if I drag this, it's going to automatically adjust, right? This is relative. But if I press equal to and I select this, but here I don't want that the values should change or adjust themselves automatically according to the cells or their positions. What I do here is I write a dollar sign before and after, before the column and the row, and I press enter. Right now when I will copy this, it's going to remain same. It will not change the value according to the position. It's going to remain same in the absolute reference. Now to write the dollar sign, it's sometimes it becomes hectic. For example, to write the dollar sign before, for example, B here and then after B here. So what you can simply do is you just press F4 and the dollar sign is automatically added, right? About the mixed references. In mixed references, either we can lock the row or the value, but not the both, right? So I'll show you how. For example, if I want to add just 100 to all these numbers, what can I do here is I will select this A3 plus, I've selected 100. Okay, and I want that the column A should continue when I drag this, whereas the column B3 value, that is 100, should remain the same. So for that what I'll do is I'll put a dollar sign before 3 to lock this, and I press enter. I have got the addition here, but I will drag this to see what changes have I got. So we can find that 100 has been added to all these numbers. I have locked 100 here, right? I've locked this particular cell using $1. If we put the $2, it becomes an absolute reference, but if we just put $1, it is going to be the mixed references. So guys, remember, relative references will adjust the formulas automatically, whereas absolute and mixed references will lock the part of the reference. So it's important to use and remember and understand these three references so that you can use the formulas efficiently without any issues, because while learning more we will see that how complex formulas come across and how we have to use these techniques to solve those formulas without any issues. And thank you for watching, and follow for more such videos. So guys, remember when so guys remember relative references will adjust the formulas automatically, whereas absolute and mixed references will lock the part of the reference. So it's important to use and remember and understand these three references so that you can use the formulas efficiently without any issues, because while learning more we will see that how complex formulas come across and how we have to use these techniques to solve those formulas without any issues. And thank you for watching, and follow for more such videos.